Guys, this video is going to take like 30 seconds. I get questions almost every other week about applying for an organizational NPI. If you look, let me see, the screen right there, what you see is my home screen for the NPPES website. Now, I know this part is confusing. There's a Medicare INA system. There's the NPPES login, and there's the PECOS login. For NPIs, you're going to go to NPPES. If you look, you see the employee surrogate graphic right below that. That way, right below that is the organizational NPI enrollment button. That's all you need. Click on it, go through the process. If you get hung up, let me know. But it's I don't know why, but it is one of those things that's just confusing. So guys, I hope this helps. Do me a favor, like this quick short video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know if you have other questions about enrolling in Medicare, becoming a Part B provider, being a mobile therapist, PT, OT, SOP. That is my passion, helping you guys get successful. Get started on the path to success. I'll catch you guys on the next video.